You settle your case and you want to know, can you get your settlement funds in cash, in cold, hard dollar bills? Would you like to learn the answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Jerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. That question comes up from time to time. And now an injured victim gets their settlement and they want to know, hey, can you give me my settlement funds in cash? Let me tell you what the real answer is here. The real answer is that most experienced personal injury and medical malpractice attorneys are not going to want to give you cash as part of your settlement funds. And there are a couple of reasons for that. You see, when the insurance company sends the settlement check to us, they do it where it has your name on it and it has our law firm name on it. And that means you have to come into the office in order to endorse it. We then have to endorse it, and now we have to deposit that check into our attorney trust account. And that's also known as an escrow account. There it's going to sit for the next few days until the check clears. Once the check clears, now our law firm is going to be reimbursed for the expenses that we laid out during the course of your litigation. The attorney's fee will then be obtained, and now you will get the remaining amount of money. Some people say, why don't you just give me cash? Well, there are a couple of reasons why we don't do that. Number one is that we want to be able to trace the money from the time it comes in from the insurance company until the time that we actually deliver the check to you. We will write a check to you, and now it's going to come directly from our attorney trust account, that escrow account. And this way, if anybody ever questions where the money went, we can always show, here's where it came in from the insurance company, we deposited it into our trust account, and now we cut a check from the trust account and gave it directly to you. On the other hand, if we were to give you cash, here's what could happen. If we were to give you a cash, for example, in a large amount, let's say in hundreds of thousands of dollars, number one, the bank is going to have a big problem giving us that amount of money in cash, in cold, hard dollar bills. They're going to be very concerned about us taking that money from the bank, and they're also going to be concerned about us giving it to you. There could be lots of problems along the way, and we certainly don't want to have those problems. God forbid something happens where now you're walking around with hundreds of thousands of dollars in cash. If somebody were to take that, now you'll be out of luck, and that would be really, really bad for you. Instead, one of the best ways to give the funds to you is to simply write you a check. You then go to your bank, deposit it, and now that money is in your account. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what happens once settlement funds come into our possession, and now it's time to hand it over to you and give you your settlement check. So why do you need to know this? You need to know this because in all likelihood you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Jerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Jerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.